Hi friends, welcome back. So how to open MS Excel we will see today. So go to start button, select all programs. So choose Microsoft Office, select Excel. So now this is you're opening a file called a workbook in the MS Excel. So now just we'll see how to change this quick access toolbar. How to change the position of the quick access toolbar from bottom to above in the ribbon. So for that purpose you click here, show quick access toolbar above the ribbon. So now you can understand the position of the quick access toolbar has been changed to the above position in the ribbon. So now you practice, make it to change into the down. So again you select below the ribbon. So in this way the quick access toolbar helps us to save a file quickly, undo, we can replace the items or tools in the quick access toolbar. So we will see later. So thank you.